Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about York, located in North Yorkshire, England, is a city rich in history, culture, and architecture. Its origins date back to Roman times when it was founded as Eboracum in 71 AD. Over the centuries, it has been influenced by the Romans, Anglo-Saxons, Vikings, and Normans, all of whom have left a lasting legacy. Historic landmarks are York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe. Famous for its stunning stained glass windows, including the Great East Window, the largest medieval stained glass window in the world, the Shambles, a well-preserved medieval street with timber-framed buildings. Historically, it was home to butcher shops. Today, it houses charming boutiques and cafes. York City walls encircle much of the city center and offer scenic walks with views of historic landmarks. Parts of the wall date back to Roman times. Clifford's Tower, a surviving part of York Castle, originally built by William the Conqueror, offers panoramic views of the city. Jorvik Viking Center is a museum showcasing York's Viking history, built on the site of archaeological discoveries from the Viking Age. York Castle Museum features exhibits on the city's social and cultural history, including a recreated Victorian street. National Railway Museum is a home to a vast collection of historic trains, including the famous Flying Scotsman. York Festival of Ideas, a celebration of art, science, and culture. York Food and Drink Festival, a culinary event featuring local and international cuisine. Viking Festival, a popular annual event reenacting York's Viking heritage. The River Ouse flows through York, offering opportunities for scenic boat trips. Rowntree Park and Museum Gardens provide green spaces for relaxation. Modern York, known for its vibrant dining scene, with traditional English pubs, tea rooms like Betty's Cafe Tea Rooms, and a variety of international restaurants. A hub for shopping, from independent boutiques to high street brands. Access and location easily accessible via train, with direct routes from London, Edinburgh, and Manchester. A popular stop on the East Coast Main Line, making it a convenient destination for tourists. York's blend of historic charm and modern attractions makes it one of the most visited cities in the UK. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, York offers something for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.